APB, Accounting Principles Board, AICPA, American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, AMFI, Association of Mutual Fund of India, ARCS, Asset Reconstruction Companies, ARR, Average Rate of Return. BPO, Business Process Outsourcing, BSR, Basic Statistical Return, BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, BEP, Break Even Point, B2B, Business to Business, B2C, Business to Customer, B2G, Business to Government. CDSL, Central Depository Service Limited, CAPM, Capital Asset Pricing Model, CENVAT, Central Value Added Tax, CBDT, Central Board of Direct Tax, CPI, Consumer Price Index, CII, Confederation on Indian Industry, CDS, Certificate on Deposits, CRR, Cash Reserve Ratio. COGS, Cost of Goods Sold, CCS, Cash Compensatory Scheme, CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility, CIF, Cost Insurance and Freight, CAO, Chief Accounting Officer, CAG, Comptroller and Auditor General, CVP, Cost Volume Profit, CPU, Cost per Unit, C&F, Cost and Freight. DGFT, Director General Foreign Trade, DICGC, Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation of India, DISC, Discount. EDF, Export Development Fund, EDP, Entrepreneurship Development Program, ESOP, Employee Stock Option Plan, EBIT, Earning Before Interest and Tax, EPS, Earning Per Share, EPS, Employees Provident Fund, ECB, External Commercial Borrowing, EPZ, Export Processing Zone, Exim Bank, Export Import Bank. FICCI, Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, FEDAI, Foreign Exchange Dealers Association of India, FII, Foreign Institutional Investor, FDI, Foreign Direct Investment, FOB, Free on Board, FIPB, Foreign Investment Promotion Board, FPI, Foreign Portfolio Investment. FIFO, First In, First Out, FERA, Foreign Exchange Regulation Act, FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act, FIMS, Financial Management Information System, GIC, General Insurance Corporation, GDR, Global Depository Receipt, GARCH, Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, GP, Gross Profit, IASC, International Accounting Standard Committee, ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICWAI, Institute of Coast and Works Accountants of India, ICICI, Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India, IDFC, Infrastructure Development Finance Company, IMF, International Monetary Fund, IDA, International Development Association, IBRD, International Bank of Reconstruction and Development, IPO, Initial Public Offer, IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India, ILO, International Labour Organization, IFSC, Indian Financial System Code, IFC, International Finance Corporation, KRA, Key Result Area, LIC, Life Insurance Corporation, LIFO, Last In First Out, LLP, Limited Liability Partnership, MODVAT, Modified Value Added Tax, MAT, Minimum Alternative Tax. MIBOR Mumbai International Bank Offer Rate. MIBID Mumbai Interbank Bid Rate. MSME Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise. MMF Money Market Mutual Fund. MBO Management by Objective. MRP Maximum Retail Price. NAV Net Asset Value. NSE National Stock Exchange. NEFT National Electronic Fund Transfer. NABARD National Bank of Agricultural and Rural Development. NSDL National Security and Depository Limited. NSEIL National Stock Exchange of India Limited. NPV Net Present Value. NASDAQ National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotations. OTCEI Over the Counter Exchange of India. OGL Open General License. ONGC Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. PERT Program Evaluation and Review Technique. PAN Permanent Account Number. PIF Public Financial Institution. PAT Profit After Tax. PBT Profit Before Tax. P&L Profit and Loss. POS Point on Sale. RBI Reserve Bank of India. RRB Regional Rural Bank. ROI Return on Investment. ROE Return on Equity. RE Retained Earnings. RIDF Rural Infrastructure Development Fund. SFC State Financial Corporation. SDR Special Drawing Rights. SBU Strategic Business Unit. SEBI Securities Exchange Board of India. SIDBI Small Industries Development Bank of India. SWOT Strength, Weakness, Opportunities and Threats. UTI Unit Trust of India. UNO United Nations Organization. USP Unique Selling Proposition. UGC University Grant Commission. VPP Value Payable Post. VRS Voluntary Retirement Scheme. VCF Venture Capital Financing. VAT Value Added Tax. WPI Wholesale Price Index. WTO World Trade Organization. WDM Wholesale Debt Market. WAP Wireless Application Protocol. WIP Work in Progress. ZBB Zero Based Budgeting.